This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I can get my mom to show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. All right, I have this PACIBE lightweight women's autumn jacket in large. And I'm going to have my mom demo it for you so you can see what it looks like on a lady. It arrived in a plastic bag like most things do. You can see I have this in large. It has the rounded neck on here, and it has one pocket on each side and no pockets on the inside. Just to measure out this large for you real quick. So we're looking at 36 inches long. So that'll give you an idea as to where it's going to fall around your knees probably, depending on your height. This jacket features a double zipper, which my mom said is really cool because she can zip both zippers up, and she can bring this one down and this up if she wanted to fold back and so forth. But yeah, nice looking jacket, very soft. It's a very lightweight jacket, obviously going to be good for the autumn and the spring as well. This jacket is also machine washable with colds. All right, so let's get my mom to test this out. All right, so how's it feel, Mom?
Feels really lightweight. Lightweight and comfortable. The size, it seems accurate to what I would have purchased.
Which is a large, right? We got a large, and you are 5'3". Well, I'll just so it was 37 degrees this morning. Was it warm?
Yeah, it's comfortable, and what I like is I can, move.
Oh, you got freedom of movement in the arms.
Yeah.
And the zipper, two-way zipper?
Yes, two-way zipper.
Okay.
And then there's side flaps too.
That's cool. They say it's polyester in there, right? To keep it warm.
100%.
Awesome. Thanks, Mom.
Yep.
So if you're looking for a nice, lightweight, soft fall or even spring vest jacket, the rounded neck, no sleeves, check out this one by PACIBE. Check it out.